Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So they given the one complex function. I want to check the function is conformal. What are the points of the function is conformal. Second, I want to find what is the critical points of the given function. Finally, I want to calculate angle of rotation and the scale factor at the particular point given. Okay, first I start with the points for conformal. What is the function means conformal? The conform means any two curves same the angle and rotation, the magnitude must be direction and must be same. Otherwise, we are going to use the result. The function is analytic and the f prime is not equal to 0. Those points are the function is conformal. So I am going to use that result. So what is the result is a function f is conformal if and only if conformal at some point. Okay, D if and only if f is analytic and f prime of Ez is not equal to 0 in some region D. So this is the result I want to going to use the. So first of all, f of given function is f of z is ez plus 1 over ez. Clearly, at z is equal to 0, the f is not analytic. So z is equal to 0, the function is not called conformal. Next is I want to find other than the 0, the function is analytic. So now I am going to calculate f prime of z. F prime of z is 1 minus 1 over z square. So I am going to use the result, this result, f prime of z equal to 0. This implies 1 minus 1 over z square equal to 0. This implies z square equal to 1. So z equal to plus or minus 1, we will get it. So f prime of z equal to 0 whenever z is equal to 1 and minus 1. So this implies f of z is not conformal at z is equal to minus 1, 0, 1. So this implies a given function f of z is conformal in C, that is complex number minus 1, 0, 1. So what is the second question? I want to find the critical points. What are the critical points means? F prime of z is equal to 0. So clearly we can say that f of z, so minus 1 and plus 1 are the critical points of the given f of z. Next is I want to find the angle of rotation and the scale factor. How to find the angle of rotation is, so you want to find f prime of z, their argument is we known as the angle of rotation. So it's a local property, we want to put the z naught. So they given us z naught is 1 plus I. So f prime of 1 plus I equal to 1 minus 1 over 1 plus I the whole square. So now I want to simplify. So now I do that 1 plus I the whole square equal to, we know that x square minus y square plus 2ix. So x is 1, y is 1, so 1 square 1 minus 0, so we get 2y. So this implies 1 minus 1 over 2y. So this is equal to 1 plus I divided by 2. So argument of f prime of 1 plus I is tan inverse of 1 by 2 divided by 1. So this is tan inverse of 1 divided by 2. So it's the first quadrant, directly we can write it. Otherwise we want to add it the pi value because it's the first quadrant only. So tan inverse of 1 by 2 only. Now scale factor, the scale factor equal to the absolute value of f prime of z0. This is the formula. So now absolute value of this one is already we can, what is the f prime of 1 plus I is 1 plus 1 over I over 2. So we want to take the absolute value. So we will get the value is square root of 1 square plus 1 by 2 square is 4. So we get it as 2 numerator is 5. This is the scale factor. I hope you can understand how to check the functions are conformal or not. First of all, conform means the function must be analytic and the f prime is not equal to 0. Those points mean the function is conformal. And second thing, how to find the critical points. How to find the critical point means f prime of z is equal to 0. That z0 is we call as a critical point. Those points we are finding. Then finally the angle of rotation is f prime of argument of f prime of z0, the particular value, correct? So that is the angle of rotation. Scale factor is the absolute value of f prime of z0. I hope you understand how to compute all this. Thank you for watching this video.